Imagine you're a guy and suddenly, a gorgeous woman appears in front of you. Your brain goes, alarm. Alarm. Sexy woman approaching. Your hormone factory kicks into high gear and decides to pump out testosterone. This hormone turns you into a full-blown man. Your chest hair might stand on end, you start feeling a bit more confident, and you might even puff out your chest like a superhero. Your heart starts going thump-thump-thump and beats faster than a hummingbird's wings. Meanwhile, your blood rushes to your legs to catch a glimpse of that sexy lady. That's why sometimes you might not even feel your feet because all your blood is busy gathering there. Don't be surprised, it's completely normal. Your eyes start moving on their own, eager to watch that sexy woman. Your visual prowess becomes like a black hole, sucking in everything around, and suddenly, you can only see her. Your own pupils might even spin around her like little cyclones. And of course, in the back of your mind, the thought of should I say something, pops up. Unfortunately, the brain isn't the best guide in this situation. Sometimes, even a few silly sentences can slip out of your mouth because when you see that sexy woman, the thought filter in your brain shuts down. That's how it goes. Seeing a sexy woman can turn a guy's body into a real circus. Hormones dance, the heart races, blood flows intensely, eyes lock onto her, and even the tongue can make involuntary movements. In the end, men are just human, and in the presence of a sexy woman, they can sometimes act foolishly. But remember, it's important to laugh and embrace the silly side of ourselves.